Good morning. I have a vintage Tamagotchi right here. Oh, this is a green Tamagotchi. I picked it up at an estate sale last week. If you watched my Back to the Future estate sale, I picked this up. I think they charged me $1. They bundled a couple things, so I don't know what it was. But it wasn't working. The batteries, it took me a while to get the back open because the screws were pretty corroded. I actually had to crack a little bit to get the screw out. So unfortunately I did damage this a little bit, but it still closes and I'm keeping this for myself. If I was reselling it, I just ruined the price. But I'm not reselling it, I'm keeping it for myself, so that's okay that I cracked the back. And then picked that up last week. And then I got this last year at a flea market. This is a little Mermaid Giga Pet. And again, it didn't have any batteries. So I Googled what batteries were needed, and everyone said these Energizer A76s, so I got a pack of these, and I'm going to put them in my Giga Pets and Tamagotchi and see if it works. I'm going to start with the Tamagotchi. So they take 2 of these watch batteries. Alright. It's on. It's not making any noise, but you see that little egg? It's on. I thought they made noise. Are these supposed to make noise? Okay, and then let me try to get this back on. It still has one screw, so it's not completely ruined. It's just the other screw is all rusted. I really didn't think this was going to work, so I am very excited. It's working. So I will come back to it in a second. Look, there's a little egg bouncing. I wish I had an instruction booklet. I don't remember. I had one of these as a kid. I don't remember how it worked. Like, does it hatch in an hour? Does it take 24 hours? I don't remember. They were expensive when I was a kid. I could only afford one. Alright. This is the Giga Pet. And I remember mine was like a white egg. And I don't remember anything else. I wish I had it. I might. I need to go through all my jewelry boxes. Ooh. This one just turned on too. It's asking, okay, wait. Now it just turned back off. What did I do wrong? Okay, for a minute there it said like hour, like it was a watch. Come on. There we go. Yeah, it's asking for the time. Let me put this plate back in. This one I didn't ruin. It had a smaller plate. I'm just trying to show you guys. I keep forgetting that my laptop camera doesn't show as much as my iPhone. Okay. Alright. Okay, it's going off and on. So, and let me screw it in real quick because I think it really needs to be pressing the batteries in. I have this little screwdriver kit. Alright, here we go. Screwing it on. Let's see. See? Oh my god, it works! Yes! It says hour. Seriously, like I need to figure out how to set this. Alright, here we go. Let's see, pressing the mode. Alright. It is in St. Louis. It is now 9:52 a.m. Don't know what it is where you're at. Mode. Okay, no. Come on. I'm trying to get it to, it says 9. Enter. There we go. So yeah, it has like 2 arrow buttons, a mode, and an enter. So pretty self-explanatory if you're familiar. 9:52 with these toys. I'm just pressing buttons till it works. Alright, 9:52. 9:52. Enter. Name it. Oh my god. Name it. This is pressure. What to name it? I'm going to name it Bob to annoy my husband. Let's see. Okay, that's not doing anything. Ah, here we go. Arrow to go through the alphabet. Yeah, I'm naming my pet Bob. And it's going to be like Ariel from The Little Mermaid. So I'm going to have a mermaid named Bob. Okay. Bob. There we go. Bob. That's my husband's name, in case you're like, why am I doing that? Okay, so you see Ariel swimming across. Oh my god, it is Ariel. I just named Ariel Bob. Oh my god. Right? Okay, I still see Ariel swimming across. Alright, while she does her thing, let's go back to the Tamagotchi. Oh! It's beeping. It's beeping. What do you want me to do? Am I supposed to press something? It's showing graphics of Ariel. Sorry, my iPhone watch just vibrated. I've got too much electronics. I just can't deal with this. Where's my camera? I'm trying to focus on my camera. Okay. Do you see Ariel swimming? Alright. Let's hit enter, see what happens. Nope, that's just the clock again. Okay. Yes, my Bob. Oh, you can change your name. So, I'm going to leave it for Bob. But apparently you can change your name as much as you want. Okay, let's go to mode. So, the mode, you press mode and you either see Ariel and you see the time. That's it. Ariel and the time. So, I guess I just wait until my mermaid named Bob does something. Alright, that's fine. Let's go back to the Tamagotchi. And I am going to screw in the one lone screw that I still have. And, yeah. Here we go. My little screwdriver set. If you guys care about this. Alright, there it is. See, the back's not too damaged. What I'm talking about was, see, right, this side, the screw was rusted. I couldn't get it out for the life of me, and so I just worked a small needle nose pliers and around it until I was able to snap it. And so, luckily it's just a small crack. It didn't ruin the whole thing. So, for me, it's fine. It's not noticeable. I could probably sell it like this as long as I disclose it, but I am keeping this. This is mine. Because that's what I need, another electronic toy to worry about. Alright, so let's see. It's just this egg going up and down. Do I press a button? Nope. Oh wait, I can set the time too. Apparently this is a watch too. Alright, let's set this time. No, it went back to the egg. Okay. Well, how do I set you? Okay. Can you hear that beeping? It's too bad Ariel's not making noise, because I swear the other one was supposed to make noise. Okay, I'm not even setting that. That's ridiculous. Okay, what's this button on the left? Nothing. So this button don't do anything. This middle button brings up the clock. And then this button shows the egg. So, correct me if I'm wrong, but I just now wait until the egg hatches? Is that what it is? Alright, I'll wait. I'll keep you updated. And then, are these things supposed to have volume? This was making a little beeping. I think this was beeping. Wasn't this beeping? Oh my god. Let me go through this. Do I do anything else? Nope, that's the clock. I don't care about the clock. Oh my god, I just messed up the clock. I just messed up the clock. I just messed up the name. Oh my god, it just reset everything. You bummer. That was tricky. It's like, don't randomly press buttons or you just ruin your pet. Now it's just Ariel. It's not letting me do anything. Alright, there we go again. Let's start over. It's now 9:57. Oh wait, that's Sebastian. It just popped up Sebastian. You can't see it. Alright, let's try this again. Oh my god. I'm gonna like totally mess this up. Oh, come on. Okay. So yeah. You have to constantly reset the time. 9:58. Yes. Oh, and I give up. I give up. If you hit the wrong button, it starts all over. Is that how it was? It really that tricky, or am I just don't know what I'm doing? Let me put a name in again for the third time. This is ridiculous. I don't think I like this Giga Pet. I might be selling this. I think I only want the Tamagotchi. Okay, Bob. Yes, Bob. Yes, you are Bob. It's 9:18 a.m. It's not early, but I'm done. I'm not changing that clock. So, Ariel, where did you go? There you are. Alright. Alright. She's for sale. I'm done with her. I guess she don't even hatch. She's just there, swimming around, enjoying the ocean with no sound. Is this supposed to have sound? It should be like, she should be singing the Little Mermaid song. And then here's my Tamagotchi. Oh my god. That's my cat knocking over everything. Alright. That's 11 minutes of me rambling. This is, come here. Come here. Yes, you're very loud. You have sound. This is the only pet that really matters. Can you hear how loud he is? This is Prince Ali. Yep. I named him after Aladdin. Because I'm a Disney fan. See? I don't have to worry about setting the time on him. No. No, no, I don't want to be clean. Don't want to be clean. This is my baby. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you know anything about Tamagotchis, let me know. What am I waiting for? If you know anything about Giga Pets, what am I waiting for? What's next in this life of Ariel swimming around? And hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.